Gonna have a nice little video for you today. We're going to be cooking wild garlic, where we've got carpets of it. There's an absolute abundance of it down in the woodlands. Northumberland Venison deer, and that's coming from the Northumberland Family Butcher. So not an advertisement, I just like to support local businesses, and he's serving a good product, so I don't mind hiding his name in there. I'll hide his details, his website in down the bottom. We're going to serve that on just a bit of bread, with some black pudding, some local black pudding as well. New learner in the day, so we're hiding them straight into the deep end, and the support staff. And we're not going to cook up any burgers or anything like that, any comfort food sort of thing. We're going straight in hardcore and going for venison with him, and hopefully he enjoy it. If he doesn't, he's tried it, I'm happy with that, but I'm sure me and the support staff will enjoy it. So I hope you enjoy this little cook up. It's going to be cooked over an open fire, so we'll probably be getting that going from maybe flint and steel. I think we'll try it. I think we're going flint and steel. We didn't script none of the videos. I just can with what I feel on the day. Get the recipes in the morning sort of thing. Just think it's going to taste nice, so we're going with that. So I hope you enjoy it, and that we're going first. And you just want to hold it in the middle, put a bit of weight on, and then hit it with the back end of the axe. Don't hit it with a metal, because the metal will break. You just need to tap it a few times. And the reason I'm breaking the wood doing is just so we can light it easier. It's just classed as kindling. So just like a couple of little taps will do it. And I'm hoping this is going to be dry enough. Some dead bracken. That should be alright. That should get the fire down from a spark. Yeah. You see that little ember that's just dropped on it? Put that into there, and it should.
Yes, much.
That's all soaking.
Tossing it. Throwing this guy now.
We're gone so carpets and carpets and carpets of it, so taking a few leaves isn't going to do any harm. That's what you want, that sizzle. So that mentioned paddleboard. Right, back. So that was lovely. And I cooked it myself, so I'm pretty biased, but that was one of the best meals I've had. The venison, perfect. The black pudding, again, I forgot to mention it before, but that's from the Northumberland Family Butcher. Tremendous bits of meat. So I don't think you could cook that bad, to be honest. So I have a little look at them if you're local, definitely. So the sessions went really well. Great results at the end of the day. Happy with that. New learner in, you never know how it's going to go. But we've just sat round, some great crack, some good banter, joined in with everything, sampled all the food, loved it. Support staff had a good day. To me, that's the results I'm looking for. The results that you're not going to get in a classroom, but you get them better sitting around a campfire, talking gibberish, putting the world to rights. So they've talked us into doing a little bit of flying, so going to finish a good session off, just flying one of the Harris Hawks around the woods for a little bit. And to me, that's a good day. So, oh, I'm out of breath. So if you're still watching, enjoy this little bit of flying that we're going to finish the day on. And cheers. If you like it, subscribe, plenty more coming. We've just come back for food. That little sparrowhawk got a bit of a fright there, like.
Aye, say how to see.
Once it flies in, right, it's called putting the brakes on.
As soon as that goes on.
Bravo. That's nice.
Then just give her a little shove. Go casting off. And she'll pick her own branch.
That's unreal.
I know he's doing it like he's done it before, Brendan. Bravo. Champion.
Tace, you coming? Go on, clean that glove. Here she comes.
Yeah, that was rapid, wasn't it?
Right, might be a hard one to see, but just to top the day off, lovely, this stunning little male kestrel just flying over the top of her. Just walking along in this lovely little kestrel, he's absolutely stunning. So if anybody knows me and they know how I feel about my kestrels, that just tops my day off. Lovely. And off he goes. Oh, it's come back. He's just been toying, going back and forward and back and forwards.